Planning the best visit to a beautiful location. Research and explore. Gather information about the destination's top attractions, landmarks, and natural beauty. Read travel guides, watch videos, and browse through stunning photos to get inspired and create a list of must-visit places. Set priorities. Determine what interests you the most: historical sites, scenic landscapes, adventure activities, cultural experiences, or a combination. Prioritize the attractions and experiences that align with your preferences and create an itinerary accordingly. Choose the right time. Consider the best time to visit based on weather, crowd levels, and any seasonal events or festivals that may enhance your experience. Avoid peak tourist seasons if you prefer a more relaxed and less crowded visit. Duration of stay. Evaluate the amount of time needed to fully explore the destination without rushing through the highlights. Strike a balance between exploring key attractions and allowing time for relaxation and spontaneous exploration. Accommodation. Research and book accommodations that are conveniently located, safe, and fit your budget and preferences. Consider factors like proximity to attractions, transportation options, and amenities offered. Transportation. Determine the most efficient and suitable mode of transportation for your visit, such as renting a car, using public transport, or hiring a local guide. Research the availability of transportation options within the destination, including any necessary permits or reservations for specific activities. Local recommendations. Seek advice from locals, travel forums, or online communities to discover hidden gems, lesser-known attractions, and authentic local experiences. Engage with locals during your visit to gain insights into the culture, cuisine, and traditions of the destination. Plan for flexibility. Allow for some flexibility in your itinerary to accommodate unexpected discoveries, spontaneous activities, or changes in weather conditions. Be open to adjusting your plans based on local recommendations or unforeseen circumstances. Pack wisely. Research the weather conditions and pack appropriate clothing, footwear, and essentials. Consider any specific gear or equipment needed for activities like hiking, snorkeling, or photography. Stay safe and respectful. Familiarize yourself with local customs, traditions, and cultural norms to ensure respectful behavior throughout your visit. Take necessary safety precautions, such as securing travel insurance, being aware of your surroundings, and following local guidelines and regulations. Capture memories. Bring a camera or smartphone to capture the beauty and experiences during your visit. Take time to appreciate the destination without being overly focused on capturing every moment. Embrace the experience. Be present and immerse yourself in the beauty and charm of the location. Engage with the local culture, try new cuisines, interact with locals, and create unforgettable memories. Remember, planning is essential, but also allow room for spontaneity and unexpected discoveries. Enjoy the journey and make the most of your visit to the beautiful location. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!